Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best pump sprayer that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best pump sprayer. If you have a large lawn, garden, or a lot of plants, it's not feasible to spend hours trying to fertilize them without the help of the correct tools. The best pump sprayer is a fast and efficient way to give your plants. Instead of spending hours on this task, you can free up your time to tackle other projects around your home to keep it looking neat and tidy all summer and fall long. Number 5. Vivosun 1 gallon lawn and garden pump sprayer. 56.5 centimeters long practical watering wand gives a better reach. It helps you to reach some inaccessible places. Each sprayer comes with a heavy-duty shoulder strap. Main features: 1-year warranty, comfort grip handle, super large bowl mouth. Number 4. Scott's Powered Pump Zero Technology Sprayer. 21-inch poly wand with Viden seals and shut-off for long-term resistance. Teardrop-shaped tank adds stability due to the lower center of gravity and includes built-in nozzle storage. Main features: easy to clean, comfortable grip, rechargeable lithium-ion power. Number 3. Chapin International Seal Poly Sprayer. 3 poly fan nozzles for fine, medium and coarse spray pattern. Total control spray shield to protect siding. Compatible with deck cleaners, sealers and transparent stains. Main features: 1 gallon funnel top, ergonomic handle, hose length 34.0 inches. Number 2. Itisla Portable Garden Pump Sprayer. The main structure of the pressure sprayer has wear-resistant seals, rings and anti-clogging filters for easy maintenance. We also provide a set of wear-resistant seals. Main features: made of high-quality PE material, ergonomic handle, adjustable brass rod. Number 1. Itisla Manual Garden Sprayer Hand-on Pressure Pump. Adjustable from water jet to fine mist jet. Tips: this lawn sprayer is not suitable for corrosive or acidic solutions. We provide additional sealing parts to extend the service life of the sprayer. Main features: safety valve, lock switch, brass nozzles. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.